Oh, my internet connection is not working. So you might have also faced a similar kind of problem once in a while. So in this video, I will tell you a hack or an application through which you can get a Wi-Fi even when you are abroad, even when you are traveling or you don't have a net pack. So stay tuned for it. I'm gonna tell you, welcome to Megabyte. So in this video I will tell you how you can download an application and you can connect to the Wi-Fi even when you don't have an internet connection. But previously, first of all, you need to download this application from the Play Store. The application's name is Wi-Fi Map. Wi-Fi Map. So this is the application. You can see the logo. Wi-Fi passwords. It is also written in that Wi-Fi Map passwords. So the application is being downloaded and it is done now. I guess it's done. So in this application you need, first of all, you need to on your GPS. Like as you can see, I have turned on my GPS. So now it will take my location. So the location is done, precise location. So in this you can see it is just telling me the nearby Wi-Fi connections available to me. So but first of all, let's do one thing. Here it says I'm in New Delhi, India, and it has 4156 hotspot. You can see, you can also select your country depending on, like I will tell you, in India there would be full cities. Yeah, India, Mumbai. So some of the cities are like paid, you need to pay them, but I don't think that you should do that. I won't recommend you. Like this save feature is only when you are offline. You would be able to do it when you are offline, otherwise just to get the location or the nearby Wi-Fi connections. So this application will tell you all the nearby Wi-Fi which you can connection. I will see, the name is, this is a home Wi-Fi and it is an open Wi-Fi. Eyeball Baton is the name. So I will also see some other connection nearby. So this is also home network. So yeah, it says Elite Academy and the password is Sharon Molly 2403. I think you are able to read it. So even here you can see this is a Wi-Fi name Varun and the password is 98, like you can read that. So it also tells me all the nearby Wi-Fi which are available to me. Like you can see here, you see it is going on. As I move further, it will show me, like here you can see 20 Wi-Fi, here 5 more. So it will tell you all the nearby connections. You can just see this one as if ICAR, your password is here, as you can read it. So with this application, let's go back to my location. So with this application I can see all the nearby connections which are available to me. So I can connect to them, like this Wi-Fi. This name is Arfan, and the password is Afghan21. And even this is the Kodak Mahindra Wi-Fi with the password 1345678. So with this application you can easily get the nearby open network and even the network with the password. Like you would be very curious, like how come this application get to know all these passwords. Okay, so in this application you can add your Wi-Fi, like pressing here would add you. I'm not doing this right now, so I don't want to share my Wi-Fi password, but even someone, if they like to, they can do it, because many of, I can see like people have done nearby me. So you will find like many of them are open Wi-Fi, but some are even with the password security and the password is given down below.